Alrighty, got an unboxing of the Lowrance Elite 4 HDI, and have not opened it yet. It actually comes with Lake Insight Pro, which I'm excited about. Have not opened it at all, so no further ado. Okay, first thing I see is a nice cover. It looks like a power cable. Get this back in view. Obviously the transducer. Let's see, mounting hardware. I'm putting this on my kayak, so that's the mounting plate for the unit itself. Oh, there's the that's the actual chip for the Lake Pro. Let's see, covers, cables, inline fuse, warranty information, instruction book, transducer installation guide. I'm assuming just a general installation guide. Now the unit itself. Oh, drop the box. Voila! It's a nice little unit, I gotta tell you. I've heard of other people having problems with this little lever being a little stiff. But there's the unit. I've seen one other unboxing on YouTube, and he never showed the cover, so I'm glad that it comes with a cover. I plan on putting this on my kayak, so I went to Walmart, got a battery box. This is $10 outdoor gear. They say it's watertight, but should be plenty for my kayak. I also went, and here in Minnesota, I can ice, still ain't off lakes yet, but I plan on doing night fishing, so I got bow and stern light. I don't plan on using the clamps at all. I actually plan on using wrapping the bow light, as you can hear, it's windy outside, with a pool noodle, and I got an Old Town Vapor 10 angler, and there's deck bungee on the bow. I actually plan on just setting that underneath those straps. I'm going to take the stern light and put a PVC pipe so I can just slide that pole in there. Hopefully it'll work. For a rod holder, I'm going to actually, instead of going out and buying one, let me make one out of this by taking this 1.25" PVC, clamping it in there, and then that should work. I'll notch it out for the reel. Now I'm not 100% sure on how I'm going to mount it. I know a guy that just bought a boat from a used boat, and actually came with the guy who previously owned it, made a rod holder with an oar lock. So I'm curious on how that's going to work. But I'm going to show you exactly in another video once it's all done. But instead of mounting where'd the hardware go, this on the back of the kayak and drilling holes, I actually made myself a little mounting plate. This obviously goes around the rear handle. I don't have it quite tight enough, as tight as I want, so I'm still gonna have to take a torch and reheat and melt this plastic. All this was a cutting board from Walmart, so hopefully it works out a little bit better, or better than I think it will. But that's gonna be my kayak setup for right now. I'll make another video overview of the whole kayak after I get everything done. As far as the battery goes, I have a Vexler. I ice fish, so I'm gonna use just the battery out of that and use it all summer long. So therefore, it continually gets used. But I think that's about it. I know this is not too in-depth. You know, it's the transducer. This is a lot bigger than I thought. But I guess, you know, you get what you get. So this unit, from where I bought it, I've looked at other places around town, and a lot of them don't have the Insight Pro, the lake map chip with it, and it's still $300. So when I saw this, obviously I'm gonna buy it no matter what. So that's kind of wraps it up. I'm gonna get on it and get my kayak set up. So talk to you guys later.